6 days ago on July 1st, I planted my last batch of corn with my nephew. So let me show you the process, and it has already sprouted, so I'll show you that too. All right,
I'm done mixing it up. Now I'm going to add this amendment to it. I know it's Miracle-Gro, but let's not talk about it. All right, I'm going to pour that in here, and then we're going to make the ditches to plant the corn. My helper spreading it around. This is my nephew. And I have the ditches done. I can't do very deep ones. It's hard in this. The soil spills over. So we got those. This is my favorite variety, Delectable corn, and I tell you, it's the best corn I've ever grown. It's so delicious. So let's get this planted. Done planting the corn. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this on top, and I do this so the birds can't eat the sprouts when they first come up, and also the cats, when they'll come use it as a litter box. We don't want that. So I put this on until the corn's probably about this big over here, because I just took these off over here. Okay, so probably about 5 inches tall. Okay, we're all done with that. Now we're going to work on this one over here. He wants to show you a friend that he found. Huge roly-poly.
Yay.
It's his buddy. It's his new best friend. All right, my friends, I am done with both boxes. I put a little bit of mulch on top just to kind of protect the soil and the seeds as they come up. Okay, these are those boxes 6 days later. You can see the sprouts starting to come up. Let's walk over to this one. See the little corns. So that's exciting. Happy gardening.